Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is CHYNTIA Agus Nabila. Today, I want to demonstrate about how to make special noodle. How to make special noodle. Yes, vegetable oil, cabbage instant noodle, chili, leek, egg, and onions. First, slice onions, garlic, chili, and cabbage. Pan and put vegetable oil. Fry the onions and garlic until yellowish. Add 1 egg and mix gently. Add noodle, seasoning, and cabbage. Stir gently for 3 minutes. Okay, next, hide the noodle on a plate or bowl. And finally, the special fried noodle are ready to be served.